Okushabuku kwayebemberwa mu Archbishop w'ekanisa ya Uganda Right Reverend Dr. Samuel Stephen Kazimba Mugalu kandi omukuburira kwe yakwegamiza hakuyamba abantu ababaru kuba batine kibine nko kugarugabire nakora.
He has really done a ministry which Jesus would call holistic ministry. Jesus said in John chapter 10 verse 10 that he came that we should have life in its fullness. Dr. James has demonstrated this by trying to bring total transformation, social, spiritual and economic transformation which was seen in the church.
Kazimba Mugalu yayebaza umurimo ogwo mugenzi James Musinguzi Garuga abire nakore kanisa ya Uganda ari kurabira umukombe kama kanisa na no kuyamba amashomero ecyari kugira ngo abiraherira abana bingi.
Supporting the needy children, he has supported many of our children in the church. Many. And what touched me more when he said, I want to support children for Karamoja. Really, Karamoja? There are no children in Chigezi, no, Karamoja. But also in Kinkini, but also in Ankole, but also in Uganda.
Abana b'umugenzi batendereza ishebo unko mushije manzi.
Just accept it, and those of us who are still here, we should try as much as possible to emulate him and do him proud and fulfill his legacy. Directly
impacts still today, even while he's gone, hundreds of thousands of farmers around this country. And Daddy wasn't only relevant here at home. Daddy was relevant abroad. Daddy actually got an award from President Mkapa of Tanzania. And he was one of those people, very underspoken, soft-spoken.
He always, every time we did good, he always appreciated when we did good. He always helped us when we did something wrong.
I was there to see him. We tried in ICU team, you did your best, tried, until it was time to say, be well with your maker, and I hope.
Owabireho enganzi yihanga amama Mbabazi nawe yagamba hamugenzi nko muntu biratari wa burijo kandi birakorira ihanga ibintu by'amani.
He believed in action, not rhetoric. He did not allow politics to divide people. He built bridges, not walls. To you, peace, and the children, I extend my deepest condolences. I know this loss is immeasurable.
Minister w'Obwegyese Matia Kasaija owajwekera omwebembezi w'ihanga nawe yashobora umuringo ogwabire nakwatagana muno mugenzi.
In life, death cannot refuse to have it unless you have got some special magic. So Mama, bear it. We shall do whatever we can do.
Now, James has made significant contribution in a number of ways, but I'll quote one or two. One is that he demystified the dependence of Ugandans on foreign investment.
Amakuru agagasha kwa Jimmy Muhumuza.